Welcome back to Morrocco Method International, where natural things happen. I'm Anthony Morrocco, CEO and founder and creator of Morrocco Method. And we have questions and answers. So let me give you guys some answers here. So we have a question coming in from Jamie. She's asking, what do I recommend for supplements for hair growth? Well, that seems to be the biggest question of all that I'm getting for the last 10 years. So hair loss is very, very prevalent for the first time with women. Never happened in history before. The best supplements in the world is natural food. So I go to the farmer's market. I go 3 times a week. I recommend you Google local farmers markets. Go to your mom and pop health food stores. So I don't eat anything outside of my county. That's the healthiest way you can live. I don't take any supplements unless something's really low in my system, which I have checkups done every couple of months, and I come back 110% healthy, healthy, healthy. I would suggest no fast foods, no canned or preserved foods, and I really don't eat out very often any longer. I prefer to get my own food from the local farmers. I would recommend taking a cooking class if you're really don't into cooking. It's very meditative. It's very calming. I do a lot of vegetables, a lot of grains, rice, polenta. Get out your pots and pans. That's where our health lies. This is the physical body, and we are totally responsible for this body ourselves. I really only go for checkups, and then if I have anything, have a problem, I go to my acupuncturist, do Chinese herbology. If you want supplements, there you go. Highest supplements in the world are conscious breathing, oxygen. So the greatest book around right now is, the title is called Breathe by James Nestor. So that's my number 1 go-to health. And number 2 is Wim Hof, the Iceman. He's basically educating us in breathing and then going into very powerful energies with cold. And if you can use energy properly, you're going to be as healthy as I am at 80. You have no doctors, no pain, no drugs, no medication, no surgery. We have another question coming up. It's from Mary Jane. She's asking that she's going through menopause. She keeps losing her hair. And she's asking, like, what is really some good exercises or methods or technology that basically she can do for menopause? Well, you ladies going through menopause is that your body's having a complete change. It has to switch over from this cycle to a complete different cycle. So we have to be very kind and very healing with our bodies. We have to realize that we have to be much more caring, females, especially when you're going through menopause. So what I'm suggesting is we have Zen Detox, which is very powerful. We get all the clays from the Mediterranean, and you simply follow our videos, do a Zen Detox once a month. We also have henna. So if you don't want to do any color, you can do our colorless henna, which is neutral. That's very conditioning. Then we have our brushing techniques. We have videos on brushing, how to. And then we have our scalp massager. That gets a lot of blood and air circulating. So the biggest reason for hair loss today is stress, chemicals, all these horrible ingredients that are not natural, made in the laboratory. I've been saying this for decades. You really need to read your ingredients, become educated. Skin care, body care, dental care, hair care. So let's read our ingredients. So if you're going through menopause or not, we really have to be much more natural. So Morrocco Method is 100% all natural shampoos, conditioners, especially our styling products. So I see a lot of hair loss from styling products because they're mostly just polymers, which is petroleum. So there's a lot of homework to do. So watch our videos. We have answers to all of these questions. Just go into Morrocco Method, put in your question. Hair loss is really being caused by chemicals, and more chemicals. So we're getting a question in from Elena, and it's about our lunar calendar. Are the lunar times the same all over planet Earth? Well, our calendar is for planet Earth, but we have to be really aware that I calculate this whole calendar on California, Pacific time zone. So all you have to do is take your time zone and minus or plus the difference of hours. So if I'm saying you can cut your hair through these 5 elements, and so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday are good dates, then you can actually see where you're living, go through the time zones, calculate the difference of times. So you still have a 2 or 3 day window, like 72 hours or 48 hours. I hope that helps. Otherwise, keep sending me your questions, comments below. Any questions at all are welcome. Send them in. I'd be glad to bring them up into our next question and answer series. So let's be healthy, let's be happy, let's be strong. Let's keep our bodies and our friends and our family healthy. All my blessings. Be well.